Hey, yo, what up guys? We have just received a special shipment from BC Racing. So these are BR series coilovers for a currently very popular JDM car. Now let's unbox the box, shall we? Double packed. Okay, let's set up a table and put those on. First in the package, these beautiful links for the anti-roll bar. Then we have the front coilovers. And to mention, all the coilovers are adjustable by height. You can set the preload and you can set the stiffness. So the pair of rear coilovers, mandatory stickers, marketing material and instructions. Me and Sunny, we are about to learn some Taiwanese, baby.
Yes. Woo. And eat Taiwanese food today.
We gonna order in or what?
Yeah, from Siam Palace.
Siam Palace?
Yes.
Where's that?
The Big Bang Theory.
Somebody call Sheldon. So it's a Toyota GT86 that is getting some new set of coilovers. Let's park it in the base and get ready to work.
Hours later.
So just wrench and some muscles. When Sunny was a little baby, the first food he ever tasted was cevapi with some look, and look at him. Look at him!
Bosnian guy, they will know.
If we have some Bosnian viewers, comment down below.
Yes.
Out with the old. Look at it, so dusty.
Yeah, but it's
like a brand new.
No rust.
Yeah, that's Subaru.
Probably not.
Look at it.
Subaru.
Look at it, and he said probably not. What kind of a Subaru enthusiast are you?
With rust enthusiast.
Okay. So what we are actually doing? We remove this cable here, we remove the brake line here, And then of course we first the link for the stabilizer is getting removed on the top.
ARBS. And
Yeah,
then
what? RB.
Araba.
Araba. Then these two bolts and of course on the top.
Top mount, yes.
Top mount.
Yeah.
And we're good.
Yeah.
Then you lift up the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Let's get on to business. Guys, always lubricate. Anywhere, anytime. So you know when you ask a guy if he can help you just holding a flashlight and then the guy holds it like this, you know? Every time. Oh, resting. That's nice. Working on the car, there is always this one nut that wants to screw with you, but we have a solution for that.
Yeah. 3M flexers.
Flexors.
Yes. Angle grinder.
The grinder that has a bit of an angle.
Taj huda, ja.
Do it! Okay, both out.
Ne bolt. That.
Yes. Bye-bye.
Like new.
Like a brand new.
In the bin recycle.
Direct from the Toyota, no wait, Subaru dealership.
This is shit. This is certainly Toyota.
So, if you compare those,
Yeah.
but the thing is that this can be extended or shortened if needed. So, this is Toyota because you need to cut it.
100%. Correctly.
When's the food coming in?
Food.
Did you order through Volt or?
Leonard did.
Leonard ordered the
Yeah,
food.
Leonard ordered the food.
Also for Sheldon or just
Yeah,
for us?
Sheldon Howard will bring it and
and Raj will eat it. Yeah. with us two.
More pad thai, please.
You know.
Pizza sad pa huda navodila.
So special instructions on 4 pages. I think I need to translate you.
Yes.
Yeah. So right height means višina podvozja.
Okay.
Yes. So to start with, we checked the preload, if it's like they recommend in the factory and it's okay. The right height we're gonna leave as it is until the car is gonna be on the floor from the lift. And as well the stiffness, we should set up on the track. So we just installed both links on the sides. So Sunny is laughing and dying because there was the joke. Why we installed the links? And the answer was because they were free.
The OEM were too long and anti-roll bar would be sitting too low with stock
With the stock links because
Yes.
they're like really longer. And the cool thing about those is, as you can see here, you can adjust it if needed by the car.
They are adjustable.
Adjustable. We are finished with the front. Now we move to the back. we are all done with the install, but we need to lower the car and see
Yeah.
how low does it go.
How low? Yeah. Low to the ground.
I take it to the floor.
Okay.
Okay. I would say we leave it as it is until the wheels arrive. What do you
Yes.
say?
Yeah.
Maybe we could just go with the stiffness all the way to the soft.
Yeah, all the way to the max.
All the way to the soft for the starters. Usually people do it wrong, they go hard all the way. So the job is done. I think the car is looking nice, but it needs, of course, new set of wheels or at least spacers. But wheels are on the way. You could already see some on our Instagram stories. And guys, till next time.
Yes.
What do they need to do?
What
the viewers
you
need
need
to
to like, subscribe, and
Comment
comment,
And
yeah,
share.
and share
and support.
and support.
The one Drift Squadron, baby. Till next time. See ya.
Bye bye.
Truck 46, 2 miles out.